Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetTools.com, and today we have a good news for you. We are back with another giveaway which is powered by UC Browser. In this video, we are going to highlight the 6th top best features of UC Browser which make it the best browser for your Android smartphone out there. We have the latest version of UC Browser which has been released today. You can go ahead and download this browser for your Android phone. When it comes to the prizes for this giveaway, we have 7 prizes to give away, and the top 2 are going to be the Xiaomi Redmi Note which we are going to give away. We are also going to give away a Micromax Eureka phone. We have 5 more prizes which are going to be the Flipkart vouchers of 1000 rupees each. So we have 7 prizes in this particular contest, and in order to win these 7 prizes, make sure you watch this video till the end. Make sure you see all the features which we have highlighted. Tell us your best feature out of all these 6, and also tell us any other feature which you may like to suggest or which you may like to see in UC Browser to make it better. So in this video we are going to talk about all these 6 features. The first reason which make the UC Browser the best browser for your smartphone is that it has got real-time Facebook notification. Now whenever you are logged in with Facebook through UC Browser, you can get push notification for all the notification you get on Facebook, and that is available through the latest version of UC Browser which we have installed on this particular device on which we are reviewing it. And this feature make it one of the best browser because no other browser as of now provide you Facebook notification. Facebook is one of the most used app. Now you don't need to basically open the Facebook app and take a look over all the notification. You will get all the notification through the UC Browser itself. You just need to log in to Facebook through UC Browser, and you will see all these notifications coming from UC Browser. Whenever someone likes your photo, whenever someone comments on it, or whenever any of your friends basically make an update, for that you get notification. Second reason is that UC Browser provides you the fastest browsing on a mobile device with data compression. You can almost open any website which could be heavy in terms of media and content. It can load up the mobile version of that website pretty fast, as well as the desktop version. Irrespective of whatever internet connection you have, whatever is the speed, it can work pretty effectively on your device. I have used the UC Browser on devices which support 2G only, and it has performed pretty well. There is no other browser out there which can actually give you that kind of data compression and so many features which UC Browser actually provide you, which does make it a pretty good browser for your smartphone. Third useful feature of the UC Browser are the UC Browser add-ons which are there. You can enable and disable them. You have different kind of add-ons which you can download. You have a FP Faster add-on which allows you to do browsing on Facebook much faster once you enable this add-on. You also have a Find in a Page add-on which allows you to find a specific word in a web page which you have loaded in UC Browser. You also have some other add-ons like QR scanner which allows you to scan a QR code using UC Browser. You also have speed mode so that you can accelerate the browsing more and you can have more data compression once you enable the speed mode. You also have an ad block add-on as well on the UC Browser. So in case you would like to block ads, you can enable this add-on, and all these add-ons does give you a great functionality on this UC Browser. You also have another feature which gives you information about Indian trains as well as the PNR status for a ticket which you might have booked in Indian trains, and all that information is available through UC Browser itself. You don't need any other third-party application for that. Fifth useful feature of UC Browser are the themes, which allows you to change the look and feel of the UC Browser. You can download different wallpapers for a UC Browser to change the look and feel. You can also change the style. You can download a lot of free themes from the UC Theme Center, which is again inbuilt into the UC Browser, so you don't have to open any other third-party application for that. You can download the themes within the UC Browser, apply them, and you can change the look and feel of the UC Browser as per your own preference. Whatever you like, you can change it. Sixth useful feature of UC Browser is going to be some set of features combined together. For example, it provides you an incognito mode in which you can do the browsing through UC Browser and the browsing history will not be recorded. You also have another feature which allows you to track the scores from a live cricket match which is going on, and you can also get more information related to that match through UC Browser. You don't need to install any other application for that. Now there are 3 important rules for this giveaway, and in order to participate, make sure you adhere to these rules. First is going to be that you need to be an Indian citizen and a person above 18 years. When it comes to the second rule, you need to tweet 10 times with 10 reasons why UC Browser is the best browser for your smartphone, and these tweets can be 10 can be more than 10, but minimum 10 tweets you have to make, or you have to tweet it from your ID within the next 10 days for this giveaway is going to be on. Another rule which is going to be is that you need to share this video. So you need to share this video on your social channels, and you need to share that link on our email ID, which is giveaway@gadgetstudios.com, or you can leave that link, all your sharing links, in the blog post, for which the link is there in the video description. So make sure you leave your links over there. We are going to consider all those people who are going to leave the links over there, and then we will take them in the lucky draw. Make sure you have a valid Twitter ID for this, and these are the 3 important rules which you need to basically consider before participating in this giveaway. So these were the top 6 features which we wanted to highlight, which make UC Browser the best browser for your smartphone. In case you have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comment section below this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.